The throughput on line 3 dipped sharply at 1400 hours.
Yes, but the reject rate is still within tolerance. We should check the pressure sensors on the capping mechanism. Microscopic structure looks uniform. Data confirms high crystallinity.
Excellent. We are cleared for production.
Monitor the heat distribution on line 4.
It's within the 2% variance. We are clear for the next phase.
The humidity is holding steady at 0.01%. Excellent. We are within optimal parameters. The molecular structure is consistent across the batch. Confirmed. The particle size distribution is within tolerance, ready for final approval. The transfer is successful. Everything looks good on the monitors. Agreed. The efficiency metrics are holding steady. Fully automated, the preparation department utilizes advanced robotics and real-time data to ensure seamless production around the clock. Pressure levels are stable. Calibration complete.
Looks good. We are within optimal parameters.
The real-time data shows a slight increase in temperature at the extruder.
Confirmed. I'm monitoring the pressure metrics on the tablet. Everything else is green.
We're seeing a 2% gain since the last adjustment.
Good. Keep monitoring the air pressure levels on the main display.
The chapter concludes with the camera following thousands of perfectly formed empty 7UP bottles leaving the blow molding section and entering the
All parameters are within the acceptable range for microbiological limits.
Verified. We can approve the batch for filling.
The thermal regulator on line 7 is fluctuating again.
I see it. Reroute auxiliary coolant and initiate a level 3 diagnostic.
We're seeing a slight dip in efficiency on the main board. Adjust the pressure valve on line 4. Copy that. The adjustment is complete, pressure stabilizing now.
Is the supermarket load ready for dispatch? Yes, ma'am. Scanners verified the count. Truck is pulling out.
This massive distribution hub ensures that 7UP products reach markets worldwide with pinpoint precision, 24 hours a day. We need to adjust the truck schedule for the evening haul. Look at the data point for the weather pattern. It's affecting the entire eastern seaboard. We have confirmation on shipment 72B.
Verified. Send it out.
Did you find everything you needed today?
We did. We stocked up on the 7-Up. The kids love it.
Pressure test on line 3 looks good.
Confirmed. Carbonation levels are stable across the batch.
Subjected to extreme temperatures, the bottles must withstand the journey from the freezer to the searing heat of a loading dock. Only then can we ensure the crisp quality of 7UP. Bottle strength and beverage quality are well within tolerance, Dr. Evans.
And production efficiency remains high. It meets all international standards.
We need to cross-reference the robotic analysis with the AI metrics. The results for this compound are inconsistent.
Look, they have the chilled ones. Perfect. Dad, can we get some of these?
Go ahead, grab a couple for later.
Ah, that hits the spot.
Cheers to the weekend.
Make sure you grab a cold one before they're gone.